show you how to use voice assistant. Firstly, before you start using voice assistant, let's go to settings and next enter privacy. Allow voice and map privacy settings. Now you can simply say, "Hello MG,
How can I assist you today?
play radio."
Could you say that again, please?
Play radio.
Okay.
Or you can press voice assistant button on the steering wheel.
How can I assist you today?
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.